Welcome back. Surprising but true. Legislators have spent most of their time in congratulatory motion than in regular business of the House. A whopping 6 hours was spent congratulating themselves and others. However, only around 50 minutes over 5 days was spent debating and passing legislations.
The 6th Goa Legislative Assembly shows that Legislative Assembly has spent a whopping 6 hours 5 minutes congratulating themselves and others while spending only around 50 minutes over the 5 days debating and passing legislations. Have a look at this chart. Governor's address 40 minutes. Question hour 4 hours. 0 hour 29 minutes. Calling attentions 1 hour 17 minutes. Discussion on motion of thanks 3 hours 16 minutes. Budget 1 hour 40 minutes. Private members resolution 1 hour 24 minutes. Congratulatory motions 6 hours 5 minutes. Obituary references 38 minutes. Discussion on bill 48 minutes. This clearly shows that legislators have spent large quantum of time on congratulating each other. Only 50 minutes were spent by the House in actual debate and passing legislations among the business for 5 days in the session. Question hour, which is mandatory part of proceedings except on the first day, clocked 4 hours. Bureau Report, Prudent.
A thief broke into a cloth showroom in Panji on Wednesday night and decamped with booty worth 22,000 rupees. The thief was caught on CCTV camera while committing the theft. He struck the showroom door at about 10 p.m. on Wednesday night. PI of Panji, Rajendra Prabhu Desai, urged people to provide any kind of lead if they spot the thief after watching the CCTV footage. Police are investigating the case.
आज सकाळी एक आमकां कंप्लेन आयल्या सागर अग्नी म्हणजे ताच्या हांगा देखणी रेडीमेड गार्मेंट शॉप आसा ताजे लॉक ब्रेकिंग करून एंट्री केल्ली आसा चोरांनी आनीक कपडे आनीक कॅश मेळून 22,000चे सामान व्हेल्लें आसा. तातूंत आमकां एक व्हिडियो फुटेज मेळ्ळा CCTV कॅमेरा. सो ती फुटेज आमी चेकिंग चालू आसा एंड वीथ रिक्वेस्ट टू प्लीज शो इट टू द पब्लीक. And if anyone finds that person anywhere, they can call to control room on 100. ही चोरी जाली ती रातची 9 वरांची 9:15 ते 10 भितर जाल्या. रातची अशी जावना ती 9:15 ते 10 भितर ही चोरी जाल्या. व्हिडियो फुटेजीचे टायमींग मेळटा आनी ताणें लॉक ब्रेक करून हें जालां. ते लागींच एक ATM मशीन हें आसा ATM बँकेचें थंय वॉचमॅन आसतना सुद्दां ही चोरी जाल्या इतल्या बेगीन.
Now look at the other events in the state.
For the first time, Big Discount Shopping Festival is held in Panji. The festival will be held from 12th to 17th March at Mirshi's ground.
मिर्शी में फर्स्ट टाइम आया हुआ है. यहाँ पे ये एग्जीबिशन अपना 12 to 17 12 से 17 तक चलेगा. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे नए प्रोडक्ट आए हैं जो इससे पहले कभी आए हुए नहीं हैं. बिग डिस्काउंट शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल ये पूरी दुनिया में चलता है. दुबई, मलेशिया, सिंगापुर, हांगकॉन्ग, ऑल ओवर इंडिया. गोवा में ये लास्ट 2 ईयर्स से आ रहा है, लेकिन पंजी में ये फर्स्ट टाइम अभी आया हुआ है.
Kalki Collections, exclusive in sarees and dress material store, was inaugurated by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar in Panji. The store has large variety of sarees and dress materials on display. Rangkarmi Srirang Narvekar Pratishthan, along with Kala Academy, remembered Srirang Narvekar on his first death anniversary at Mapsa. Senior artists were felicitated on this occasion.
रंगकर्मी श्रीरंग नार्वेकर प्रतिष्ठान हे याच उद्देशाने आम्ही स्थापन केलं. मी तुम्हाला जाहीरपणे सांगतो, आपल्याला जर कोणी असा होत करू गायक कलाकार भेटला ज्याला कसलंही सहकार्य अपेक्षित आहे त्याला आमच्याकडे आम्ही खात्री देऊन सांगतो की कलेचे माहेरघर म्हणतात ना, तो एक चांगला कलाकार म्हणून आम्ही पुढे आलो.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.